Welcome to my YouTube channel called Train to Earn. I wish to make Train to Earn YouTube channel as a collaborative process where the creators share the actionable videos along with their WhatsApp contact details with the new generation earners. The mission is so simple: to connect fresh job seekers and learners with skill. The my channel is focused on upgrading the next generation earners. It's sad that the next generation earners enter the market in a big way every year, but the opportunity to get upgraded are very few. And wherever are the opportunities are very expensive, and it's not always easy to access those opportunities. So, Train to Earn will assist the content creators and the new entrants to the job market to coordinate and take help in getting upgraded for the future career. And it is very important that the information guidance is at a very least cost. So I do not really have any profit motive in this venture. My only reservation is that the training content which is put by the video creators is without any bias and directly helps or indirectly helps the new aspirants to upgrade themselves to earn better. I would myself vet the content and then upload the channel on my video on my channel. So folks, please see the videos on my channel. They are there, they may not be still up to the mark, and they will become better day by day as a participative exercise between Train to Earn channel and the video creators who are putting something on platter for the new generation earners. Let's hope we can make a collaborative effort to improve the status of a new generation earners. You will feel, why new generation earners? They are product of an incomplete education system. So we must help them to grow, and they will be a resource not only to themselves, but they will also be a resource to the employers. They will also be a resource to the society as general, and be a productive force over the period of time. So let's join hands.